It's time for another episode of A Few Minutes of Design. This time we're looking at simplifying, then multiplying.
TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome back to another episode of A Few Minutes of Design. This time we're taking a look at simplify, then multiply. Identify a shape within the photo on the other side of this card. Draw or trace the shape, leaving out shadows, highlights, and complicated details so you have a simplified version. You may need to invent parts of the shape that are not in view. Imagine that your simplified shape is number 1 in a series or family of 3. What rules would govern the shape of numbers 2 and 3? Draw them. Well, last time we did this, we did a little animation, so why not do that one again? Okay, awesome. So we've got a stack of bikes here. Each of the bikes has a little cover on its seat. The immediate thing that's jumping out from me would be the circle with the spokes from the wheel. So, oh god, excuse me, I've dropped my pen there. The first one would be to draw ourselves a circle, which will make a perfect circle. And it will be a double circle, I think, as well, that we can pop inside each other, like so. That circle is joined by some spokes. But as it's simplify, what we're going to do is reduce it down just to a few spokes, like so. There's also going to be some tread on some of these tyres here, as well as like this cog bit in the middle. So I think I quite like the cog. That can stay too. We'll draw ourselves another circle in the middle there. Okay, awesome. If we draw an indication of some teeth on that cog as well, that might be nice. So let's say that is shape 1. What would shape 2 be? Let's quickly turn on animation assist so that we can draw in some layers here. Now shape 2 might be the same, so we can duplicate this layer. However, we would want perhaps this inner section to start rotating. Makes sense as it's a wheel, right? So we can grab that entire section and we can rotate it. Beep, 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 beep. 45 degrees, that'll do. But we'd also want the whole thing to start bouncing up a little bit maybe as it starts to travel. Like so. And then frame 3 would be the same thing, apart from down a little bit. And we could then select the inside section. And rotate it another 45 degrees. And then if we turn the frames per second way down, we've got ourselves a little bouncing wheel going down the road. We can add in a little bit of a background, I think, because why the hell not? So we can set this as the background layer. If we just drew ourselves a bit of floor. And then on these other layers, we could have like a wind rushing. To indicate that it's moving at speed. I know, there you go. Simplify then multiply. I like doing little animations with these ones rather than making them a series. I think that's a bit more fun. One thing we could do is if this is to carry on, we could have like the wheel start to break and then bounce more. But it says only do like draw steps 2 and 3, you know. So we'll keep this one nice and quick and nice and short. Well, that'll do for now. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I like making these little videos and hopefully you guys like watching them. And I'll see you next time on another episode of TipTut, another episode of A Few Minutes of Design. See you later.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.